Modern classic bikes are literally a rage today, and there are a lot of manufacturers trying to cash in on their ever-growing popularity. Classic Legends is one such Indian brand. It brought back the iconic Java name in November 2018 after it had gone into oblivion for a few years. Java's reincarnation took place with two motorcycles, the Java Standard and the 42. While the Standard is still the same chrome-adorning, nostalgia-invoking old-school machine, the 42 did receive a bunch of updates earlier this year along with the Suffix 2.1. It is sold alongside the older version for those who want something fancier. So, if you have your eyes stuck on the Java 42 version 2.1 but are looking for definite reasons to buy it, we give you 5 of them. But before we get cracking, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon if you wish to not miss any of our interesting videos. And if you haven't watched our detailed review of the Java 42 version 2.1, click on the link in description. One of the most outstanding traits of the 42 version 2.1 is the way it looks. Now, design is a subjective matter, we agree, but the 42 guarantees a distinctive visual appeal with its all-black theme in the middle of other chrome-laden bikes in this category. It gets a blacked-out treatment on its entire hardware package, including alloy wheels, engine casing, exhaust and handlebar. And the black color variant which we had ridden looks properly stealth with even the fuel tank, side panels and fenders finished in black. But for those who like their bikes to look swankier, there's also a white and a red paint scheme available. The 42, or all the Javas for that matter, offer impressive engine performance. Propelling the bike is a 293cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine that produces around 27 bhp of power and 27.02 Nm of peak torque. Now the torque figure is on par with its rivals, but the power figure is considerably higher. So what you get is a decently quick motorcycle. It is not only relaxed and stress-free to ride at slow speeds, but also satisfying when you go gunning it spiritedly. And with the BS6 update, this engine has also become more refined and responsive than its BS4 derivative. Helping its case further is the availability of a 6-speed gearbox that makes it more engaging to ride and gives it a better highway cruising ability. With all the metal bodywork that the modern classics carry, most of them tend to weigh heavier than other bikes with plastic panels. But that's not the case with the Java 42. In its segment, the 42 is the lightest machine with a curb weight of 172 kg. Its close contenders like the Royal Enfield Classic 350 and the Benelli Imperiale 400 are around 20 to 30 kgs heavier. And that means the Java is much easier to live with. Pushing it around in the parking or trudging ahead in crawling traffic, all of this feels effortless on the Java 42. Not to forget the low curb weight also aids in its handling, making it more agile while changing directions. A majority of Indian riders are mostly concerned about the seat height of the bike, especially those with a short stature. In this regard, the 42 is quite forgiving with a seat height of 765 mm. The only bike that has an equally accessible saddle height is the Royal Enfield Meteor 350, whereas the others sit more or less higher. So it is easier to get astride the 42. Even in traffic and other slow-moving scenarios, getting your feet on and off the pegs doesn't feel bothersome. And now that we are talking about the seat, Classic Legends has made changes to its cushioning by stuffing it with denser foam. This should help you munch longer miles on the 42 without taking too many stops. The fifth positive about the 42 is the easy and seamless riding experience it delivers, and this is a result of various attributes of the bike. The engine performance is brisk yet friendly, the controls feel light, the brakes are progressive, and the low speed handling is also admirable. And it also has a tight turning radius. So these qualities of the bike collectively make it a stress-free and friendly companion, whether you choose to commute on it, take it to your short weekend rides, or decide to set out on long excursions. And if you happen to have a puncture while doing all of this, fixing it won't be a big task. Due to the inclusion of alloy wheels, The 42 version 2.1 gets tubeless tires now that are much easier to repair as compared to the tube type rubbers. Classic Legends has priced the Java 42 version 2.1 at Rs 1.84 lakh ex showroom. That makes it around 12,000 more expensive than the older version 2.0. For that extra money, you get a bike that's not only desirable visually but also on the practicality front.